Today we have our second annual Prescription for Your Future event. It's an open house event that we have for anybody who's interested in pursuing a career in pharmacy. We have a lot of different activities for the applicants and the potential future students, and they're going around from various rooms and doing various activities such as compounding lip balm. They're learning about various aspects of retail pharmacy as well as simulation activities as what would actually happen in a hospital setting. I hope that students can appreciate what we have to offer here at West Coast University. Being the only accelerated hybrid program here in this part of the country, it's a fantastic opportunity for them to come, see the campus, see what we have to offer, and then be able to make that decision that this is the school that they want to attend. Being an accelerated hybrid program, students are able to graduate from our program in 33 months. And being hybrid, they're able to take those classes online, get a great education, and so it's a great program, a great opportunity for our students to be able to become a pharmacist in just a short period of time.